Hey guys, guess what? Today we're doing a healthy appetizer. We're doing Parmesan Zucchini Tots. So come on close, let me show you the minimal ingredients we need to make this. Okay, I don't know if this is gonna taste good or not. I've never made this before. But as last video, our breadcrumbs are being replaced by ground up pork rinds. So get the original flavored pork rinds and grind them up and replace breadcrumbs. So you have pork rinds, you have 1 egg, you have Italian seasoning, Parmesan cheese, and shredded zucchini. All right, first thing we're gonna do is start off with our zucchini. Remember to pat it with a paper towel and get the water, get a lot of the moisture out of the zucchini. There we go. It's gonna be more like a paste. Put your 1 egg in. Breadcrumbs or your pork rinds, put those in. Your Italian seasoning. And your Parmesan cheese. Once you've mixed the batch, you have like a kind of like a batter. You're gonna make tater tot size scoops and put them out because we're gonna bake them. So I wanna see a whole bunch of rows of tater tots. And there you go. You're gonna pop these in the oven at 400, they look good enough to eat right now, but we have to cook them. 400 degrees, 15 to 20 minutes, and flip them and cook them for another 5 minutes. That's it. These look amazing. If you have a broiler flame, they go faster because you want to crisp them up. All right, I'm so gonna burn myself on this. Been blowing it off for 5 minutes. Here we go. Just throw it all in there. This is a definite redo recipe. You got to do this. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna make these all the time because they're really good. So check them out. They're Parmesan Zucchini Tots. I hope you guys enjoy them as much as we enjoy them, and I will see you on the next episode. Love you.